life in the Philippines. Now we're busy today because we have a reunion party and Christmas also. So,
Ayun na, get mo yung watch mo, the table.
you see there's doing some karaoke right now.
Wait you tonight.
Magay kaya.
Just hold my arm. Just stay with me. Don't say goodbye. When you're with me,
Now we're cooking about fried chicken wings. Now it's recording. Fried chicken. I will shoot.
Gave up my life, my heart. I will give everything I want. Just to leave you.
Hoy, where you go? Hoy, where you go? Mag-hi ka sa mama mo, Bi.
You
Hi ka.
taught me how to love. What is wrong? What is wrong?
Hi ka mo, hi. Hi.
Merry Christmas.
Ano yung gibubuhat? Nag-ano ka mo? Lumpia. Naglumpia sila, naglumpia. Did you eat?
Si Yoyo nagluto, tsaka si tatay. Inanta mo na mga babae.
Bebe! Ay, soplado.
Diyan.
Pangit si Panguan doon. Ngek! Sino gwapo sa inyo?
I pray to God, the time of my life. Oh, this you I should give up, or should I just keep chasing, baby? Even if it breaks my I wanna be the one, even if it's the worst, you believe it's true.
Magsayin ka na? Ha? Sayin? Ano galing mo?
Wish you one more time.
Bakit kumain mo ka naman sila ba?
Diri Asya. Saya sumbong.
Hoy, bubok daw. Sumbok mo na. Hoy, bawal ka ba sa iyo sumbok?
Mati ka ulit, ulit. Ay, boss. Sana'y pagpikon.
Hoy, maganda.
Wala sumbok ka.
Sasaktan.
Ano na ang puso? Oh,